Nobody wanted these Air Jordans when they released, and now they're $500. This Air Jordan 4 is fire, straight fire. Free Mocha Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. This giveaway ends at the end of May, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Mocha 1s. Good luck. And don't worry, this is my personal worn pair. The winner's gonna receive a free brand new pair. Jordan 4s sell out, have resell, and usually are very hyped. They're becoming the new Air Jordan 1. However, this Jordan 4 released a little while back, and nobody really cared. This Air Jordan 4 was easy to get. They sat on shelves. My fiance actually got me this pair. She walked right into the store, was able to get them hours after they released on release day. But they were sitting. This Air Jordan 4 was not that hard to get back when they released. Fast forward to now, and this is a $500 pair of Air Jordan 4s. Let's take a look at these fire, straight fire, now expensive Air Jordan 4s. Sole Premise makes the best bags for sneakerheads when you're traveling. This right here is their daily bag. It holds 2 pairs of sneakers. There's compartments individually to hold each pair of sneakers, as well as my laptop, clothes, anything I need. Then you have a front compartment as well with a ton of space. 2 front compartments actually on this bag with a ton of space as well, with tons of zippers and compartments. And check this out, on every Sole Premise bag, a lot of them, there's a hidden feature right there with extra compartment as well. You have tons of space in each and every Sole Premise bag. They hold your sneakers, sneakerheads. They have backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags, all different types of bags. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. The link is down below in the description, and make sure you guys use my discount code Danny Moore to receive 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. They have the best bags in the game. Check them out, link down below. Now let's get back to this video. Back when this Air Jordan 4 released, nobody really cared. Nobody really wanted them. They sat on shelves. Grade school pairs were selling for under retail, and now grade school is like a $400 sneaker. Men's were going for about retail. They were not hard to get. They slowly climbed their way up to around $250 and up to $400, past $400. Now they're at about $500, $550 depending on size. I absolutely love this Air Jordan 4. It's one of my favorite Air Jordan 4s ever. It's not an OG colorway, but it's a retro of a retro. The Air Jordan 4, cool gray. Smash that like button, get this video up to 600 likes, and I'm gonna do another Air Jordan 1 giveaway after the Mocha 1 giveaway is over. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Cool gray 4s were going for about retail. Now they're about $500. Nobody really wanted the cool gray 4s back when they retroed in 2019. But the Air Jordan 4 has become the new Air Jordan 1. These are now sitting at around $500, which is absolutely crazy. To see a sneaker go from $190, nobody really caring and wanting it that much, to climbing up to around $500 is insane. It shows that the market has really changed drastically from Air Jordan 1s over to the Air Jordan 4. And I love the Air Jordan 4. It's one of my favorite Air Jordan models. I do like the Jordan 1 better, but I do love my Air Jordan 4s. Do not get me wrong. There are some fire colorways of Jordan 4s. The cool gray is easily top 5. The gray nubuck upper is so soft, very, very nice quality. Gray laces, white Jumpman with your yellow flight. Behind the tongue, you do have your yellow hit as well. These are just straight fire, man. White midsole leading into the black. Ooh, these are just so nice with the silver Jumpman on the back. Oh my, with the bottom being very nice. Of course, I have worn my pair. I do like and wear my cool gray 4s. Here and there, I like to bust them out. I don't wear them too much because it is one of my favorites, but I definitely do wear them, and I should wear them more. I love the cool gray 4s. It's one of my top 5 Air Jordan 4s. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your top 5 Air Jordan 4s down below in the comments. If you guys have any expensive Air Jordan 4s like the Travis Scotts or any expensive sneaker at all, and you want to wear the sneaker, make sure you guys put on Drip Grip sole protectors on the bottom of the sneaker to help keep the bottom fresh, keep it in great condition, and preserve the bottom. When you peel it off, it'll make the bottom look brand new again, even after you wear the sneaker. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip sole protectors. The link is down below in the description. And make sure you guys use my discount code DANNY10 to receive 10% off your order from dripgrip.com, the best sole protectors in the game. I think the price went up on the Jordan 4 Cool Gray for a few reasons. Of course, the Air Jordan 4 hype, the wearability factor of this Air Jordan 4, that it's all grayed out, very easy to rock. And this is also a older retro brought back. Just like the Black Cat 4s. That's a retro that was brought back. It's not an OG colorway. Black Cat 4s creeped their way up to like $800, $900. Well, the Cool Gray 4s, up to $500. And Grade School, oh my goodness, was under retail and is now a $400 Air Jordan 4. Nowadays, we don't see Jordan 4s go for retail at all. In fact, the cheapest is usually like 40, 50 bucks over retail. Jordan 4s are not sitting by any means. They don't release a crap ton of Jordan 4s like they do with Jordan 1s. We have the Jordan 1 low, mid, high. There's so many different types of Jordan 1s. KOs, strap this, strapless. There's so many Jordan 1 models. There's not that many Jordan 4s that release. So it makes the Jordan 4 a little bit more limited compared to the Jordan 1 model, and it gives people less options to choose from, causing resale to go up as well. And of course, being a wearable colorway like this, Jordan 4s are gonna do well when it's a wearable, clean colorway like the Cool Gray. Today's market has really changed, and the Cool Gray Jordan 4 is a great example showing that the market has really changed from the Air Jordan 1 over to the Air Jordan 4. $190 and now $500. We went from nobody really wanting the Jordan 4 to everybody and their mother wanting the Jordan 4. If the Air Jordan 4 Cool Gray is a must cop for you, put a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If the Jordan 4 Cool Gray is straight, trash, and easy pass for you, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who wants to cop the Air Jordan 4 Cool Gray and who does not. I think the Air Jordan 4 Cool Gray is fire, straight fire. This is shocking to see them at $500. Free Mocha 1 giveaway. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in Jordan 1s. I want to be the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube, so that's why I keep doing these sneaker giveaways. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Become a member of the More family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.